Hey cutie pies! Welcome back. So, following the trend blindly, I have created a typical bong look. So, let's see how I created that. Stay with me. For creating this look, I have managed to wear a sari and I have paired it with a silver jewelry. And after that, I will do my face makeup. I have prepped my skin before doing this makeup. I am using my foundation, blending it with my brush. After blending it evenly, I will use a sponge to blend it. Then I will use my favorite concealer, Fit.me concealer. Like, I have never found a beautiful concealer like this, such a beautiful formulation. I'm applying the concealer just in the places where I want my face to highlight in the feet. Apply the concealer under your eye and then blend it with a brush. Starting with your eyelid, first of all, make a clear canvas for your eyeshadow work. Use a concealer. I am using the same concealer, Fit.me concealer, on my eyelid as well. I will apply a good amount of product on my eyelid. I will make outlines for my eyebrows and then I will blend it with a blending brush or a flat brush, anything that will blend the product nicely. I'll use a sponge for further blending. Then I will set my under eye and my eyelid with a translucent powder for setting my concealer. I'll brush on the powder all over my face for setting all the products I have used. Now with my favorite Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, I will draw my eyebrows. After giving a good shape to my eyebrows, I will comb it with a spoolie. In this look, I need a bold eyebrow. So now with a crease blender, take a transition shade and apply it over your crease, normally with light pressure. Hold the brush carefully. Now take a blending brush and use a whitish shade, as much light as possible, and apply it under your eyebrows, on your eyebrow bone. This will highlight your eyebrows. And now taking a crease blender, I will apply a orangish shade on my crease. Now hold the brush at an angle of 90 degree. At a perfect angle of 90 degree, hold the brush and draw your crease. Then with a flat brush, take the same orange color, orange coral color, and pack the color on your eyelid. I'm using a cute coral shade over here, a soft orangish shade which goes with my sari color. I'm packing and depositing as much color as possible on my eyelid with a flat brush. Denser the brush, the more intense the color will pay off on your eyelid. Now with the angular brush, I will take the same shade and I will work on my lower lash line. I have done my right eye. Now I will start with my left eye. Place your little finger on your cheekbone. Take a support and then start working with your kajal. First of all, make an outline on your waterline, lower waterline, upper waterline, and then slowly drag the kajal and draw over the lash line like this. I will smudge the kajal which I dropped on over my lash line with the angular brush. Then I will straight jump to the eyeliner part. No wing, nothing, just simple eyeliner. End up with mascara. You're more or less good to go now. Do some finishing touches wherever you feel like necessary. Your eyes are done. Now I will jump on to my full face makeup. First of all, I will contour my face because my face is looking flat now. Contouring will warm it up. I'm contouring my jawline as well. Now, creep the brush in such a way so that its bristle come closer and it takes a thinner shape. And with the same brush, you can draw your nose contour as well. You don't need to change your brush. Then, I'm doing my favorite part, blush on. Have a smile on your face and get started with the coral blush color to give your face a glam look. Highlighter is a must. Highlighter will speak for you. Your skin will start glowing after you use highlighter. I'm using Sivana Colors Brick Highlighter over here. With a less denser brush, I will apply my highlighter. Here I'll use Morphe's lipstick, a brown color. I want a bold brown lip, so I'll work on with that. You can use a lip liner also if you want to line your lips, but I think I'm good enough to work with this brush only, so I'm not going for a lip liner. I'm not going for any reddish shade or any pinkish shade because I feel like this would not go good with my eyes. My eyes are demanding a brown bold color, so I'm just keeping a subtle brown look. Now with NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, I'm just giving my lips a ombre shade. This is very light so that it looks a bit ombre-ish. This is very optional. You can just omit this step. I'm just doing it because I like it. I'm just smudging the entirely cream color with my fingers only. And then here I go with a bindi and my silver jewelry. I think I have created the perfect bong look with the thick patch of kajal and the bindi. Here is the entire look, how I am looking after doing so much of effort. So here you see how I created that typical bong look. So if you like our content, then do let me know with the big fat thumbs up. Press the subscription box and press the bell icon so that whenever we come up with a new video, you get notified.